So now we'll be using this access token. So if you see, I have a development environment. If you want to create new environment, what you can do, you can click here, or you can go here and click add environment. Either way it will work. Then you can create a new environment here and then add some variable. So I have one environment that is development. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you there only. So once you create environment, I don't know why this is not showing. Let me just close it. If I go in environment and here, this environment name is development and I have a variable named access token. So just create an environment and name an access token, mark it as active, and then don't put anything as default here. That's all we need to do in environment variable. If you want to use it in any other endpoint as a variable, then next what we will be doing here is let's say these are get users is what you can say is private route. So in that case we would like to have updated Vera token automatically when we do login, right? So in that case, let's go in login first, and if you see here in the header we have scripts option here. What you can do, you can pause the video and just try to write it whatever I have written here. So it is just Postman. We are taking the Postman response, converting it to JSON, and then we are setting this environment variable access token. I have added it in on user. So let me just cut it and go back in login post response, and I will save this. Let's try it out. And okay, let's try to log in, and we have this access token. So in scripts, just make sure you are taking access token from data, and if you notice, this variable will not be access token in camel case, it should be in access underscore token. So let's fix this. Okay, then if I just try to save it and rerun this, so if I go back in environment variable, I see this is now in access token we have this data in environment variable, so we can set it dynamically. Now we can use this environment variable here in any get use any endpoint. Okay, so in authorization, if we try to use, instead of like using this hard-coded access token, we can directly use double curly braces, and then it will automatically appear access token. Select it, and then if you try to execute, this should work. Although we haven't protected this route yet, but we are going to do that soon. In next video we'll see how we can create JWT authentication to protect this route and other private routes.